Hello everyone, salutations, welcome to today's particular brand new video. And this is a special video that I had purchased a particular item for myself. I pre-ordered it and it had at long last arrived. It had taken a little while, but however it was absolutely worth it. And this is a first ever exclusive on YouTube, and I try to create content videos that are actually original and share a sense of uniqueness. And therefore, originality is individuality, and so individuality is art, and you derive inspiration to be only yourself and to strive towards a betterment of yourself and a replacement of yourself from replacing your past and replacing that with the future. So with that being said, I wanted to feature this new product here. It's a Hatsune Miku limited edition all blue color. Now remind you, this is just only the box in itself that's actually all blue. The figure itself, I had to actually open it up. It's actually different, slight moderate differences from the original model. However, it's still Hatsune Miku, one of my absolute favorite Vocaloid artists. I believe it was derived from either the United States or Japan. It has to be from Japan because it has so much, obviously you could tell from the design and the promotion of it. It's obviously Japanese influence. And I myself, I'm born and raised in Japan, in Tokyo, Shinjuku Prefecture, Providence there. Born 1990, and yes, 90s child. The very idealism of Vocaloid in itself is amazing. It's incredible. It's breathtaking and awe-inspiring, considering of how much technology has and still continuing to change and progress every single day. It's becoming so much grander and greater, and ultimately, as like Ghost in a Shell, I believe that actually could become a huge possible reality that we could face for ourselves in the near future, with the coexistence of human beings and technology, and how advanced technology, artificial intelligence is, and ultimately and inevitably becoming every single day. And this is incredible. So this is a figure that you have to piece together, cut out the pieces with the little cutter that's mainly used for Gunpla models, Gundam models. You follow the instructions one by one. It shows like little photograph things here. Here you go. You can see on the bottom right corner here an example of it, and it's actually quite meditative. Honestly, I've always been a collector. I've always loved Gundam models. I know that's aside from this video, however, it's the same exact how-to and style and setup of clipping pieces apart, putting pieces together, assembling them together. And this is actually a bust, so it's not just any ordinary figurine, like collectible figurine you see out there in so much of today's society. Is just like, it's something original, it's something different. I always love collecting busts. I have the Crow Brennan Lee, the Eric Draven from 1990. The little bust for it, it's actually now worth like a couple $100. Yeah, so I would never get rid of my collectibles and my pop culture collectibles for anything in the world. So this was just a one-shot take all the way through, just a quick video all the way through. I wanted to show this off, and in my second video I'm ultimately going to show the more I apologize, I'm lost for words today. It's been a long day. The finished design for it, that's what I'm trying to say. The finished design for it, once that I'm completed with it and everything, and I'll be able to show it off once it's all like completed and everything. It's only going to take me, God, like half an hour, if that. So, incredible respect to my culture, my heritage as always. My Japanese ancestry would have been proud to have such a society as integrated so much of advanced modern technology that's constantly improving itself every single day. And this is incredible. I know this is just a figure, and these are like probably mass produced. Wait, no, actually this is like limited edition exclusive. So besides this, I meant more along the lines of modern society, like technology, and where the world and humanity is traveling towards the future. And it's just incredible. There's just no words to ever describe how inspiring that is. How inspiring it is that, you know, oneself, as long as you believe in yourself and you have faith in yourself, you could, the mind in itself, and right here, this human mind, okay, or your starseed or indigo children mind, you can accomplish anything, virtually anything in the world. So my name is Cody Gremlin. Thank you so much for watching. Konnichiwa, and oyasumi nasai. Koishiteru to every one of you. Yes, koishiteru means I love you, in kind of a formal, professional perspective. To a lover, on a personal relationship perspective, you say like aishiteru.